How to activate metrobank credit card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Open any preferred browser and then click on the web address bar at top of your screen. Now search for Activate Metrobank Credit Card and hit Enter on your keyboard. You will land on this result page. Click on the first link of Metrobank card and click Activate Card. Now you will reach on the official interface of metrobank credit card where you need to click on credit card number and enter your credit card number on this card activation section. You can easily choose the card expiry date and then you need to enter the CAPTCHA. If the CAPTCHA is not understandable, you can click on click to load a new one and then load a new CAPTCHA and enter here. After entering all the card activation details, click on Proceed button and then your card will be activated immediately and you should be able to use it for the transaction. By following all this step, your Metro Bank credit card will be successfully activated online. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.